Hello everyone! Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create your Snapchat account step by step, quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type Snapchat, sign up, and press enter. Step 3. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Step 4. Choose a username for your account. Step 5. Create a strong password and enter it. Step 6. Press agree and continue. Step 7. Enter your Gmail address. Check your email for the verification code and type the code in Snapchat. Step 8. Press next and your Snapchat account is successfully created. Congratulations! You now have a fully working Snapchat account. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more easy and professional tech guides. See you in the next video.